What are Flask extensions and how do they work? Imagine building a web application and having a toolbox full of ready-made tools to make your job easier. That's what Flask extensions are for. They are extra packages that add new features to a Flask application beyond what the core Flask framework offers. Since Flask is a micro-framework, it keeps things simple and flexible. Extensions fill in common needs like connecting to databases, managing user logins, handling forms, creating APIs, and more. This way, developers don't have to write everything from scratch. Most Flask extensions are named with the word Flask at the start or end, such as Flask SQL KME or Flask Login. This makes it easy to find and identify them. To use an extension, you first install it with the Python package installer called pip. After installation, you import the extension into your Flask app code. Many extensions requiring some configuration, like setting database URL or secret keys, which you add to your Flask app's configuration. Most extensions follow a common pattern to connect with your Flask application. You create an extension object and then initialize it with your app. You can do this when creating the app or later using a method called initApp. This flexible setup allows you to work with multiple apps or switch configurations easily. Once initialized, extensions add new capabilities to Flask. For example, a database extension like Flask SQL KME provides classes and functions to work with databases using Python objects. An authentication extension like Flask Login manages user sessions and login states. Extensions are designed to be reusable across different projects. You can also create your own extensions if you need custom features. This modular approach saves time and effort. In backend development, extensions are especially useful for building APIs with tools like Flask RESTful or Flask RESTX. They make connecting to databases simpler with ORM tools like Flask Piwi. For security, extensions like Flask Security help manage user authentication and protect your app. Handling forms becomes easier with Flask WTF, and sending emails can be done with Flask Mail. In short, Flask extensions are like plug-and-play modules that boost Flask's core features. They work by integrating with your app through a standard initialization process. This makes backend development faster, easier, and more organized. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can focus on what makes your application unique while relying on these ready-made tools to handle common tasks.